In this tutorial I will show you how to create these creative ice cream packaging poster design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy these new guide layout settings. Then select Type tool. Left click to place the text. Then from Properties copy this font style. Copy these text settings as well. Type Pistachio's text here. Select the text and place it in center. Hold Alt key left click and drag to resize the text. Then hold Shift key left click and drag to stretch the text. Stretch and position it accordingly. Select the text and from Properties change text color as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. After placing the text, right-click on Text Layer and convert to Smart Object. Again select Type tool. Left-click to place text. Go to Properties. Copy this font style. And text settings as well. Copy this hex code for text color. Then type Pistachio's text here. Place it accordingly. Then hold Alt key left click and drag to make a copy of text. Now type American text here. Position it accordingly. Select all text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as text. Then from File place Background Overlay Image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. Hold Alt key left click and drag to resize the image. From blend mode select Multiply. Now place ice cream packet image. Resize it accordingly using Alt key. Then from top panel set the angle to 8 degrees. Then double-click on image layer to enable layer style. From layer style enable drop shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Copy these overall settings as well. Now place Pistachio's image. Then right-click on image layer and rasterize layer. Select lasso tool. Make selection of single pistachio. After making selection, press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Similarly, create remaining one. Make sure to always select image layer while making a copy. Delete image layer. Position it accordingly. After placing it, select both layers using Shift key, right-click and convert to Smart Object. Then double-click on Layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style, enable Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Copy this overall settings as well. Name the layer as Pistachios. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Copy this radius as well. From Properties, keep Color Fill as per the hex code. Copy this code. Keep Stroke to 12 pixels. Change stroke color as per the hex code. Copy this code. Place it accordingly. Similarly, create second rectangle shape. Copy these width, height and radius units. In Properties, color fill and stroke size and color will remain same. Position it accordingly. Then select both rectangle layers, right-click and convert to Smart Object. Name it as Shapes. Double-click on Layer Style to enable Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Copy these overall settings as well. Then select Type tool. Left-click to place the text. From Properties, copy font style and overall text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Paste the text here. Place it accordingly inside the shape. Similarly, place text in second shape. From Properties, font style and text settings will remain same. Only change text size to 10 points. Select both text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Text. Select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. Lastly, from View, select Guides, then Clear Guides. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.